St. Augustine is the nation's oldest city where you can make history at home. Modern living meets North Florida charm at 210 White Rabbit Run. This spacious 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom Lennar home located in the vibrant, amenity-rich Trailmark neighborhood has a split floor plan that provides thoughtful separation between the owner's suite and the secondary bedrooms, with daily life centered around a spacious great room that opens directly onto screened lanai with peaceful water views. The kitchen shines with white quartz countertops, 42-inch white cabinetry, a generous center island, corner accessible pantry, and stainless steel appliances including a gas range. Ceramic wood tile flows through the main living areas, and a pre-wired security system bring modern convenience to every corner. A dedicated 4th bedroom suite with its own private bath offers flexible space for a variety of uses. Thoughtful upgrades include ceramic wood tile throughout main living areas, a pavered driveway, and a gas tankless water heater for energy savings. Trailmark residents enjoy an impressive lineup of amenities, including resort-style and lap pools, a fitness center, dog park, kayak launch, sports courts, play areas, and miles of multi-use trails.